Hello, my lollipops. It's me and my friend. Say hi.
Hi.
I'm really recording. And we found a beehive. Come on, it's right there. We started breaking it. See it right there? I want to get a closer look. Oh my gosh! I saw something moving in there. It was like a wing. Okay, we broke it with this stick. And we're gonna break it.
And let's have some.
He just literally like broke it. There's a honeycomb. I'm totally like taking this home later.
But there's something wrong with the beehive. We tried to
There's
get
a honeycomb.
a while ago. Okay.
Yeah, it must have been abandoned. Okay, dude, can you be my cameraman?
Yeah.
Okay, hold it. Do it like that. And look down a little. You see there? Okay. See the broken. Okay, I got it out. Right there. Wow. Please see this video. Do you see that?
We see have
And that's what professionals do. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, smash that like button, and bye-bye.